guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm here and I told you I was going to be consistent, so I'm going to do a fall trend look. I'm going to do something orange with a little bit of burgundy and some gold. I went on Google and I saw this cute image, and I'm going to put the image up here so you could see, and I'm going to do that look, or I'm going to attempt to do it, because I have these hooded eyes and it's really hard to get like that specific look. So anyways, I hope you stay tuned, and please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. So we're gonna get into the look and let's go. So we're starting off with our Poreless Face Primer by e.l.f. This is really the GOAT right now, really. I'm gonna go in with the beauty blender and just tap it out, just so that, you know, I get a nice natural seamless look. Here's some tape. Mine one, I got it from Staples, and we're gonna put it on the corner of the eyes. So base, we're gonna go in with my favorite blank canvas by Louise and MMMMitchell. I'm gonna try to distribute that evenly through the whole entire eyelid. Look, we're gonna go in with the Morphe palette, and I'm gonna start off with the color Balls of Fire. That's like a bright orange. The more pigmented look, I'm gonna go back over it with more and just pack it on. To get that really bold look, you have to keep packing on the eyeshadow to get the desired color that you want. And I just kept repeating the process. I took the color in command and I started to angle it just like in the picture. And of course, somebody called me in the middle of me filming my video. Like, seriously, why would he call me now? To create the cut crease, we're gonna go in with the blank canvas acid rain paint, and we're gonna try to get in a nice little pocket from the inner corner to the middle of the eyelid. Trying to be as precise as possible, but I have hooded lids and they have a lot of lines, so it's kind of hard, but I tried my best, guys. Always jamming into something. Going with the glitter pigment color in Reflects Bronze. I forgot to put the setting powder under my eyes to help with the fallout from the glitter, so I'm gonna do that now. We're gonna go in and we're gonna pack it on to the lid. Just keep pressing it and putting more on and pressing it and putting more on. Now let's dust off the setting powder. Literally glitter everywhere. We're gonna go in with the I Am Magic Concealer by Juvia'S Place in the color J13. Of course, we're gonna go in with the Sasha Buttercup setting powder. Go outside. Big time forward. The star boy there, so. Get me to the game, no one replace me. And to create a nice little thin line across the eyelid, we're gonna go in with the Il Makiage ink liner in the color black. To bronze my face up, I'm gonna use a Black Radiance contour palette in the Sculpt and bronze the forehead and the cheekbones. To get a little more chisel on the cheek, I'm gonna use a setting powder and just outline my cheekbones. To do under the lid, I'm going back in with the color In Command under the eyes, and I'm gonna smoke it out. The sun started coming out and it was in my eyeballs. Seriously. Right now we can dust off the setting powder. Blush, I'm gonna go in with the Saharan Blush Volume Palette number 1 by Juvia'S Place in the color Neo. This is my first time using this. I'm so excited. Added shimmer, we're gonna go in with the Milani Stellar Highlights palette in the color Rose Gold and just give us a little, shimmer on our cheekbones. In the inner corner, I'm gonna use the same palette and we're gonna just highlight the inner corners of the eyes and under the brows. Mascara, we're going in with my favorite, Lash Sensational by Maybelline. Don't forget to do the bottom lashes. Holy grail of all holy grails, eyelashes by Lago Siberian Mink Lashes. The link is below in the description box. We're gonna go in with some eyeliner, Unstoppable by Maybelline. And And the lips, we're gonna go in with LA Colors lip liner pencil in the color Chestnut. Look, since the eyes are so bright, I wanted to do a nude lip, so we're gonna go in with the Soft Matte Lip Cream by NYX in the color London. Of course, we're gonna set it off with the Setting Mist by Morphe. Hey guys, this is my final look. I did a little ponytail, a cute little ponytail. Maybe I'll do a tutorial on how to do it, but I hope you like it. Thank you for watching. Peace out. Bye.